and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick video on some things that I got from Zara. So this is just like something that I wore to work today, a cute little like blazer that I also got from Zara, and this turtleneck that I got from H&M. And Zara is having this a sale, so of course I got me some items. I just hit myself in the face, and I've been like itching to open this up because I'm geeking. And so yeah, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Of course I got some stuff like the scissor stuff. Of course I got some stuff from the Zara sale because like I don't miss a sale. But I think it's gonna be cute just showing you guys what I got. So this is how it's looking. I'm excited to try this stuff on. So first things first, I got a t-shirt because I feel like lately I've been really wanting some t-shirts, and when I saw this t-shirt I loved it. I mean honestly, because it was just really cute and simple, and it had like this little rhinestone detail. So let's see what she's looking like. I hope I don't get any makeup on it, but this is what it's looking like. Let me stand on, oh shit. Let me see. I like how it's like oversized. It's really big. I like the little like bling bling on the front. I feel like I would wear this, like spice it up, give it like maybe like a mini skirt or in some thigh-high boots, just something to make it look not so boyish and baggy. But I definitely feel like this is super cute, and it's kind of like big, which is what I like the most about it. I like my tops to become like oversized. So this is definitely just cute. It's a throw on. It's not a staple. I just feel like it's, maybe it is a staple. It's just something cute. I like it a lot. Okay, so I do not necessarily love this top. I usually do love tops like this one, but like it's just way too tight like around my wrist. I don't know about this one. Like I feel like it actually is giving me too bedtime. I don't know. It's something wrong with it. I feel like it's just too small. I don't know why I got it in this size. I don't know, maybe it's me. I don't like this top though. I'm not sure about this one. Okay, so anyways, my camera died because I didn't charge it when I was supposed to. So excuse my tits, they're real big. But look at this top. Oh, so cute. I love this. And it was like legit not a lot of money at all. I think this is like my fave so far. And look at the detail. It's adorable. It's so cute. So I also got this fishnet number, which makes my boobs look bigger than they ever have looked in life. I mean, like this whole video is probably about to get flagged because I mean, honey, what am I looking like? I got these breasticles. Anyway, so this is so cute. I definitely love this as well. This is adorable. I'm living for this. I need to lose some weight. Like either I need to lose some weight or like what? Why does this feel like a small? Like, so I'm back in my turtleneck from work because now I'm about to try on these jeans that I got. And I only got the jeans because they were $9, be clear, because I really didn't even think I wanted them. But let's see what they're looking like. So honestly, I don't know why I bought these. They had like a lace detail on them. If I saw these in the store, I would never pick these up, okay?
Mom, my iPad died.
Your iPad died?
Yeah.
Her iPad died.
So
as far as for these pants, I'm not going to try them on because like legit my camera's going dead, but I just liked this detail on the side, and that's pretty much what made me buy them. Yeah. So anyway, the last thing I got was these velvet blue boots because they were $9. They were originally 50 bucks. Actually, I think they were more than that, and they marked them down to $9. And you know, I'm a sucker for like a super sale, and I felt like that was a steal, so I had to get these cute little booties. And that is all. That's everything I got. In total I spent like $50 on everything that I showed you guys. So if you guys like these videos where I'm just showing you where I got things, then please give this video a thumbs up. I am going to go film another video for you guys, so I look forward to seeing ya. And I love you so much, and thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye. 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 Bye.
You're not a baby. Stop playing.
Bye.